Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, our next topic is speed. So, generally, we talk that he drives very fast and he drives very slow. So, we use these words, but we by using these words, we uh, cannot exactly tell or compare the speeds, compare who is fast and who is slow. So to know exactly, we need to know their speeds. Okay, and you have already studied in class 6 also the formula of speed. Okay, to calculate speed, we need to know distance covered and the time taken. And when you divide the distance take covered by time taken, you can get the speed. Okay, so this is the formula of speed, and that's how we can calculate. Now the units, what are the units? So the standard or the SI unit is, for distance it is meter, and for speed in physics we take second. So meter per second is our standard unit or the SI unit. But uh, in general, we use kilometer per hour for speed. Generally for vehicles and all, we use kilometer per hour. But in physics, we use meter per second. And miles per hour also was used, but it is not in much use now. Okay, now there are some numericals how to calculate. Okay, time, distance, and speed. So you have done it, so it's very simple for you. So look at example 1. A boy walks at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. How much time does he take to walk a distance of 20 kilometers? So you know the speed and you know the distance. So the formula of time is distance upon speed. So divide the distance, that is 20 kilometer, by 4, and you can get the time, that is 4 hours. The next example, a cyclist covers a distance of 15, okay, it's miles written over, so make the correction, it's make it kilometer. 15 kilometers in 2 hours. Calculate its speed. You already know the formula of speed, distance upon time, and you know the distance and the time. So divide the distance by the time. Okay, so divide 15 by 2 and your speed is 7.5 kilometers per hour. Okay, in the next example, a car takes 4 hours to cover a distance if it travels at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. So speed is given 40 kilometers per hour, and what should be speed to cover the same distance in 1.5 hours. Okay, so here in the first case, time is given and speed is given. So first we will find the distance. The formula of distance is speed into time. Okay, so distance is equal to speed into time or time into speed. So our distance is, you can write here speed, or here it is written time into speed. So time into speed, that is 4 into 40 is 160 kilometer is our distance. Now the time has changed, so the same distance, at what speed he will travel to cover in 1.5 hours. So now you have the distance and now you have the time. So find the speed, apply the formula distance upon time. So distance is 160 we have calculated and time is given. So just divide and you get the speed. Okay. So these are some examples. Now this is all in this chapter. Now you have to try these exercises. Okay, exercise C, exercise D, F, H and I. Okay, try to find their answers. Okay, and you better try it, otherwise I'll tell you the answers. But if you try, you will mm, go through the chapter and you will remember them easily if you try yourself. Okay, so try to find the answers, and in the next class I'll tell you the answers of these exercises, and then we'll do the question answers and the remaining exercises. Okay, and the numericals also. Okay, so for today you just find the answers for these exercises, and in the next class I'll tell you the answers, correct answers for these.